Shawn, tell us a little bit about the gender leadership gap.
Sure. Well, women now comprise greater than 50% of the U.S. labor force, greater than 50% of all managerial and professional occupations, and greater than 60% of bachelor's degrees at U.S. universities. But despite these large numbers, less than 5% of women are leading Fortune 500 companies as CEOs, and that number has barely budged in the last 30 years.
Wow, that's amazing. Help us understand the significance.
Well, it's significant for a number of reasons, but if we're talking pocketbook, financially, companies that have a larger representation of women on their boards of directors financially outperform those with lower representation of women, as measured by return on equity, return on sales, and return on investment. We also know that companies that have greater diversity in their leadership have greater diversity in middle management. That leads to better employee engagement and a whole host of other factors.
Really important information, Shawn.
And one last point. This is all important because stakeholders expect that the company is going to adequately manage and maximize their resources, including their human capital resources. So companies and corporations have a tremendous opportunity here to leverage the talent that's inherent in their employees, all of their employees, both men and women.
Great, thanks, Shawn.